Hey teachers, welcome back to Chalkboard Wisdom, your go-to for quotes that make teaching even more magical. I'm Professor Chalky, and today we're focusing on something truly special, building a positive classroom community. Let's create a space where every student feels valued with 7 quotes to inspire connection, kindness, and a sense of belonging. First up, alone, we can do so little. Together, we can do so much. This quote is a reminder that a strong classroom community starts with teamwork. Encourage your students to collaborate on projects, share ideas, or even help each other with challenges. When they work together, they'll feel a sense of belonging that makes your classroom shine with joy and unity. Number 2, kindness is the language that everyone understands. This one's all about fostering empathy in your classroom. Teach your students to speak this universal language by celebrating each other's successes, listening with care, or offering a helping hand. A kind word or gesture can transform your classroom into a safe and welcoming space for every child. Here's the third. We rise by lifting others. This quote encourages us to build each other up every day. Create a compliment wall where students can write positive notes about their classmates, or start each day with a gratitude circle where everyone shares something they appreciate. Lifting each other up creates a ripple effect of positivity that spreads throughout the classroom. Number 4, the best classroom is one where everyone feels at home. This one's a nudge to make your classroom a true community for your students. Set up a cozy reading nook, display student artwork on the walls, or create class traditions like a weekly share your story moment. When students feel at home, they'll thrive in every way, academically and emotionally. Number 5, a smile is the shortest distance between two hearts. This quote reminds us of the power of positivity in building connections. Greet your students with a warm smile every morning and encourage them to do the same with each other. Those little smiles can bridge gaps, ease tensions, and make your classroom a happier place for everyone to learn and grow. Here's the 6th. Together, we are stronger than we are apart. This one's about unity and the strength of togetherness. Organize team-building activities like a class scavenger hunt, a group art project, or a buddy system for younger students. When your students see their strength as a team, they'll support each other through every challenge, big or small. And finally, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. This quote is a beautiful way to wrap up our list. Model kindness in your classroom by showing patience, celebrating diversity, and encouraging students to do the same. A kind classroom community isn't just a dream, it's something you can build every single day with small, meaningful actions. So, there you have it, 7 quotes to build a positive classroom community. These ideas always remind me how powerful connection can be, and I hope they inspire you to create a space where your students feel loved, supported, and ready to shine. Which one resonates with you the most? Let's talk about it and share our ideas. Before we wrap up, I want to hear from you. Which quote will you bring to your classroom to make a difference? Or share your favorite way to foster community with your students? Drop it in the comments below. Let's spread positivity and build stronger classrooms together, one kind act at a time.